Hey, it's David Marinak. So last week I got an email from a guy who runs a packaging company, does about $40 million a year, and he showed me something that honestly blew my mind. He had one customer, one product, and his team was leaving $112,000 on the table every single month. Not because they were lazy, not because they didn't care, but because nobody knew it was even there. And I'm going to show you exactly what I showed him and why this is probably happening in your business right now. So here's the situation. Distributor has a legit national customer. They're selling them one specialty product, one SKU, 8 containers a month, about 15,000 cases. The numbers look like this. Their cost is $44. They're selling it for $49, profit of $5, and a monthly profit of just under $80,000. Not bad, right? But then I showed them something else. With a better supply chain, the cost is $37, which now profit is $12, and you've got $112,000 more per month on profit. Same product, same customer, same price to the customer, just a different way of sourcing it. That's over $1.3 million a year on one product line that was already running. Now, here's the thing. After I showed them this, he asked me the question everybody asks. Why aren't we doing this? And look, that's the right question. He wasn't asking where I found the factory. Anybody can do that. He was asking why his team with 150 reps, decades of relationships, and a solid reputation hadn't already figured this out. And here's the uncomfortable truth. It's not because his reps are suck. They don't. It's not because leadership is asleep. They're not. It's because the way this industry has sold for the last 40 years doesn't work anymore for anything beyond commodity products. Let me show you why. Last week, a guy named Marcus Sheridan published a study. They analyzed 981 real B2B sales calls. And what they found, honestly, is pretty brutal. Finding number one, 76% of sales reps talked more than the prospect. Average talk time, 60%. Finding number two, only 16% of reps ever asked about the financial impact of the problem they were trying to solve. Now think about that. Finding number three, out of 981 calls, only four reps covered the three things every discovery call needs: the issue, the impact, and the importance. 4 out of 1,000 calls. Now look, this isn't a rep problem, it's a training problem. And no CRM, no sales kickoff meeting, and no comp plan is going to fix it. Here's what I mean. If 99.6% of reps can't do discovery on products they know, what happens when you ask them to sell something they've never sold before? They freeze, or worse, they wing it. And that's where $112,000 a month opportunities hide. Now, here's 3 things that's changed in the packaging area over the last decade. Number 1, the internet killed the relationship advantage. Buyers can research and compare without ever picking up the phone. Number 2, or second, 3 big companies became platforms. And they're not just bigger competitors anymore, they're infrastructure. And they've already won the commodity fight. We're talking the Veritivs of the world and the Berlins. And third, AI-equipped partners changed the game. AI-equipped buyers, I should say, changed the game. By the time they talk to your rep, they often know more about the category than your rep does. Most companies responded to this by doing more of what they've always done. Hire more reps, go to more trade shows, send more emails, make more calls, and it doesn't work anymore. The data proves it. So the next question, if hiring more reps doesn't fix it, what does? All right, here's what I built instead. It's not complicated, it's just different. Step number 1, pick one niche, not 5. 1, something your company is good at, but not dominating nationally. Step 2, position yourself as the category leader, not a player, the leader. Step 3, build presence in the AI search layer. I'm talking ChatGPT, Perplexity, Claude. This is wide open in the packaging space right now. First mover wins big. Step 4, find every company in the country that looks like your best customers. Identify the real decision makers, not procurement, the people who actually decide. Deploy an AI agent under your brand that educates and qualifies these decision makers at scale. Not spam, but real conversations. Step 6. Hand qualified opportunities to your existing reps. Not leads, not RFQs, not mindless quotes. Educated prospects ready to talk price and volume. In step 7, this is what we put together. We sit on the call with the rep to be their technical expert until they can run it solo. You're removing the part of the sale that 977 of the 981 reps can't do and letting them do what they're actually good at, which is closing a conversation that's already qualified. Now, here's what happens when you run this for 12 months. It's actually, I think, better than this, but let's just play this out. Month 1, you pick a niche. By month 3, AI is showing your company when buyers ask who to work with for that niche. Month 6, qualified opportunities are landing on your reps' calendars, not mindless Zoom info nonsense, on their calendars. By month 9, your reps start closing deals. Month 12, you are recognized as the national leader in that category. Now, here's the big thing. The competitor who tries to copy you cannot, because they can't retroactively claim AI search layer that you've already built. The prospect intelligence you've already built or the deals you've already closed is and becomes your moat. That's $112,000 a month opportunity, not the prize. It's just proof that this works. Look, if you run a packaging distribution center, lead a manufacturer, or you're on the PE side of a packaging investment, here's what I want you to take away. The old playbook is done for anything beyond commodities. The data proves it. The big platforms aren't going to solve this for you. And the AI search layer that'll eventually decide who buyers find, it's still wide open. For now, the first companies that move on this are going to look like geniuses in 18 months. The ones who wait are going to be writing checks to the ones who moved. If this resonates with you and you're seeing this in your pipeline, send me a DM. Or check out davidmarinak.com. I'd rather build this with you than against you. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video, and if this helped, please share it, please subscribe, and please like. Thanks.